And if you did, when was you gonna tell me?
Push it real good.
What's up, Rabbitt gang? It's your girl Kiara Rabbitt, and welcome to my channel. This is my first tutorial. Oh my god, and my first tutorial I horribly messed up on, but I guess this is a part of recording. You can tell by the title and description what this video is about, and we're going to get straight into the video. But before we get into this video, I would like for you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below, and tell me what you think. And make sure you turn on your notification bar so that you do not miss anything that's going on this channel, because we about to get it popping. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm sorry I had to throw the disclaimer up there, but I just had to, just in case anybody wanted to try it. And I mean trying it, meaning trying to be funny, trying to throw out any hints, trying to throw any shade, trying to throw any shots, and I just don't need any unnecessary what do you call it, bullcrap coming my way. So that's why the disclaimer is there. So just read the disclaimer carefully. I support all walks of life, so therefore we're just gonna rock it out. All right. Now, I will list everything that I use down in the description box below. However, I have a small little problem. My camera has been acting up because of the SIM card or the SD card, so I had to get another one. Excuse the Skittles, by the way. Had to throw that in there because of the whole look that I'm going for. But my SD card is messing up on my camera. I don't know if it's because it's old or whatever the case may be. But when I sat down to record me laying down the lace, I didn't get none of the clips. I didn't get none of it. It recorded it and then it would not play it back. That means it did not take it. It did not record it. It didn't do anything. So I was pretty upset about that. Was super bummed out. However, I have another SIM chip or SD card that I have sitting around here until my other one comes in the mail. So I just used that one to record this video. And it worked out perfectly. I just only got to get the parts of me pretty much after I laid the lace down. Now, I won't be talking through this whole video segment. Again, like I said, this is pretty much showing you how I revamped this hair. And I think I'm going to call this a revamp video, revamp my hair for TikTok. I don't know, I haven't figured that out yet, but we'll get to it. But this video is pretty much going to be about how I take this hair that I've been having for the last year. It's been worn so many times. And I just take this hair and I pretty much turn it into something worth looking at, worth wearing, pretty much. Now that I pre-laid the wig already before off camera, I'm going to take this wig band. I'm going to tie it around my head because I'm getting ready to prep my hair for straightening. I had already laid my baby hairs and everything down pretty much off camera. Here's my flat irons that I'm going to be using. They're from Tai Chi Gold. They're a really, really good iron. I really like these irons. They are about 2 inches wide. They get a lot of hair done at, at a good rate. The heat goes all the way up to, I do believe, 450. And I'm going to go ahead and start straining it. So the wax and that thermal heat spray those two things are amazing, guys, products. You guys got to check that out. The heat protecting spray is from Cantu, and the wax is, I do believe, is from She Is Bomb collection. And this stuff it's the go. I'm telling you, it's the go. If you don't have none, get you some. When I tell you those flyaways, all those little annoying hairs that you don't like, this definitely does the trick. Okay, so after I'm done straightening the hair, I'm going to take about a dime size of this hair serum. It's very, very, very good. It gets the hair, it's lightweight, it gets the hair really shiny and just really flexible and movable, and just, just gives everything you need, and like a sheen or something like that, but it's like in a liquid, and you just need a little bit of it. Now, I applied my makeup and lashes and stuff off camera because this is a hair tutorial, it's not a makeup tutorial. I have those coming in the future, so stay with me, bear with me, those are coming. But I wanted to do a half up, half down type of ordeal with this, with some like bangs or bangs, if you want to call them. So yeah, I'm gonna take that that wax and a comb and my hot comb. I'm going to divide and conquer on the sections that I need to do it on. This hot comb is amazing. I have two of them. I have a mini one, and then I have this larger one from Hotter and Hotter, and they're both are the bomb. But I love this big one. It's pink with a little pink little comb on the end. I just love it. It's really cute, and it gets up to 450 degrees, I do believe, but I have mine set at 400 just so I can get the energy. Take a little bit of that Got to Be Blue spray. We're just going to wrap that ponytail around so that we don't see that black rubber band behind there. And then we're going to commence to part those bangs, ladies, so we can get us a nice fang going on. Now, off camera, I did do some extra, like, bells and whistles to the hair. Like, I clipped some of the hair. I actually redid the ponytail so that it can be a lot smoother, and I straightened the hair some more. I did that off camera just so that it can have just more of a smooth and nice finish. And here is the finished results, ladies. I love this look. I don't know how I came up with the idea. I just thought of it and just, I don't know, I just did it. I just like, let me revamp this hair. Let me give them something different for TikTok. And hey, this is an opportunity for me to do a YouTube video, and it all worked out except for the part where I laid my hair. It might be God, maybe God trying to tell me something. He may be trying to tell me you're not ready yet, but I think I'm ready. So you guys, I hope you like this video. Please like it. Please subscribe. Please comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you stay tuned for the next videos because I have some heat coming, guys. I really do. During this whole video that I was recording, especially the cute part, I said my earrings were kind of messed up. And if you did, when was you gonna tell me? We gotta do better next time.